away from you again. Oh my, what happened here?
I came, I did that, everything went bam, and he, and I, and
Easy, easy. He couldn't have gone too far.
What if he was kidnapped? I'm calling 911!
See, Gary's here.
Oh, you scared me so much.
He just decided to go for a walk. He likes Tater Tot's house.
Of course he does. We always make something cool for Tater Tots. And what about Garry?
Huh, you're right.
Of course I am. Would you enjoy living in a container?
All right. I've got an idea for you. Come on. Hi, guys. Look at this draft I've prepared. This is the house we're going to make. And these are the parts we're going to need.
What will we make it from?
From sturdy acrylic glass, 4 millimeters thick.
Wow! 4 millimeters? How are we going to cut it, Sue?
Oh, don't worry, Sam. Our kind neighbor Roger helped me cut it.
Oh, that Roger. I could have helped too. Here, look! No, can't do.
Cheer up, Sammy. I'm going to need your help today elsewhere. Let's see if we've got everything we need. Now we need to glue all the parts together. We'll start with the largest parts. I'll apply some glue and press the wall really well. To make sure all the walls are even, I'll use this special ruler. With this ruler, it's very easy to see if the angle is right.
Guys! I've prepared a contest for you. Write in the comments what snails like eating more, vegetables or fruit. We'll conduct an experiment later. Oh, this house is coming out so big! Garry will like it.
That was the last wall.
Huh, not bad.
Look, now we need acrylic sealant. It'll help us seal the seams between the walls.
Sue, your plastic box isn't much different from Garry's container.
That's why we're going to make a cool roof. Let's connect the parts, just like last time.
Oh, the roof looks so real! Garry will be pleased.
Yes, it's like a roof of a real house. Now, let's do the most interesting part. We'll need these hinges. I'll press them to our house and mark the openings. This will make working with the drill easier, and everything will fit nicely.
Sue! I think we need to make Garry's house more cozy! Oh, fine. I'll come up with ideas myself.
To make sure the house has good ventilation and Garry feels comfortable in it, I'll make a lot of small openings in the roof.
Sue! Snails like plants!
What?
Plants! Let's place them inside!
Okay, fine. Leave them. Well done. And now we'll use this yellow tape to decorate the house along the edges. Now nobody will cut themselves on the sharp edges. And the yellow color will make our house prettier. Right. Time to install the hinges. I'll insert a small screw into each opening and secure it with a nut.
Sue, let's also place a branch for Garry.
Why?
Well, he'll crawl all over it. Isn't it fun?
Oh, I don't know. Fine, leave it. Our roof is done. Let's try it. Yep, everything works.
Sue! And the lamp.
Oh, just what we need.
Yes, we'll go out and leave the light for Garry so he won't get bored.
Check out the house we made for you, Garry. Time to make the house comfortable for Garry. Soil will be the base of the house. This soil layer should be high enough to allow Garry to dig in and rest. And if Garry falls, the soil will soften the fall and the shell won't be damaged. Now let's place gifts from Sam. Ah, this bright green grass, so juicy and fresh. And this funny-looking branch. Really nice.
Oh, Sue, we've completely forgotten about the bowl.
Did you take it from Fluffy?
It's a spare one. Fluffy doesn't need to.
Fine. Let's place some veggies here and pour some fresh water.
I'm off to call Garry. Come on, hurry up! Quick, Garry, there's an amazing surprise waiting for you.
Here, let me help you. There, Garry. It's your new home. So you won't run away again.
Guys, if you like the house for Garry, give this video a big thumbs up.
And if you've got more ideas on how to improve Garry's life, write in the comments.
Yes, and we'll build a whole bunch of houses.
Sammy, just like always. Bye-bye, guys.
Subscribe to the channel, please. Sue, I have this idea for a stadium for Garry. He needs to train.